Okay, I've got a Toro Recycler Lawn Mower from 1992. My pull cord broke the other day. I've already taken this apart, so we're going to do some instructions in reverse. First, you'll need a basic set of socket wrenches, maybe a pair of scissors for the rope, and then you will need to disassemble the lawnmower. Alright, the first step's relatively simple. We take this plastic cover off the top. I've already prepped it so it's easy to come off, but no problem. You have to take these 3 bolts off here. You have to take this bolt off here. Now the tricky part is your gas connection. Your gas tank's here. Hopefully it's empty. If it's not, it's going to leak out here. So you want the bolts off first so you can turn on its side. You're still going to need something to put it back into because it's going to get a leak. Remember, you're going to have to take the oil feed off. You have to unscrew this, lift it. That exposes the oil tank down here, so you want to make sure this is all nice and clean before you do it. This will also be a good time to change your oil since you've removed it. Once you have the plastic cover off, we have access to the metal housing and starter area. You'll need to take these 4 bolts off. You need to back this screw off in order to get this housing off. I've already got them off. Notice these are rivets. You can't take those off. You have to work this out, and then you have access to the string pull. Once you have access to the starter housing, you're going to spin this counterclockwise to put tension back in. If you let go, it'll release tension. Spin this all the way until it reaches the end, then back it off so that the outer hole for the cord and the inner hole line up with each other. You're going to have to jam a screwdriver in there to hold the tension while you work with the string. Now we come to what is really the hardest part. We've got this frayed string. It's got to go in this hole into a smaller hole on the inside. I tried to melt this with a match to make it nice and clean. It didn't work. I'm pulling away the braids on the outside, and that's what we got our scissors for, to cut that a little bit. Then I'm going to try to pull the little small ones in there and pull it through here with some pliers. So we will see how that goes. Okay, not too bad. I fed these small strings through the holes, pulled it with this. It wouldn't really come through. I had to get this little tiny screwdriver and come over here to this hole and jam it through there. But in the end, it came out, and we tie our knot here.